Welcome to How to Pronounce. In today's video, we'll be focusing on a new word that you might find challenging or intriguing. So without further ado, let's dive into today's word,
親子丼
which means a Japanese dish of chicken and egg simmered together and served on top of a bowl of rice. Let's say it all together.
親子丼
One more time.
親子丼
Now let's split the word into syllables and then pronounce each syllable one by one. Yeah, ko, don. Thank you for joining us on this adventure in pronunciation. Remember, language is a journey, not a destination. Keep exploring, experimenting, and expanding your linguistic horizons. We'll see you next time.